Welcome back to our channel. How to add Payoneer payments to Shopify in 2025. So make sure you will have logged in, and we will move in the top left corner of three lines, and in the last left bottom corner option is the settings. So just tap on it as well, and simply just move in the payments option. Just tap for payments, and right now we will just tap on it, add payment method. So you will just have to move in the search by provider, and in this we will just search for Payoneer. So here, as you can see, there's an option of Payoneer Checkout. So just tap for it, tap for done, and again just tap for it as well. Now you will just have to out Payoneer Checkout. You would just have to first of all create it to installed. So after installation, you will be able to add Payoneer payment method to Shopify easily. Thank you so much for watching.